Hey, welcome back, guys. So, question from Poons down in Southern California and Joey on the island of Sicily. So, these are my responses. So, although I haven't started cooking yet, um, well, for lack, well, anyways. So let's back up a little bit. Yes, you're right. I haven't started cooking yet. Not for the lack of skill set or whatever the case may be, but more so the lack of skills for filming. So I needed to crawl before I could run. So I basically set up a series of small kitchen skills videos that'll be coming out within the next 4 to 5 weeks. Yeah, you gotta wait. Sorry, I all good things come to those who wait. But these kitchen skills episodes that I created, essentially what they're doing is setting me up, number one, for success, because I need to get comfortable in front of the camera. Now, being behind the camera for me was real easy. So, and that's where I'm most comfortable. But actually being in front of the camera is much more intimidating, believe it or not. So by setting up these small little kitchen skills videos, it's actually helping me become better. In my later videos, did over the last 60 days that I've been producing these things, there's a significant improvement. So yeah, you gotta wait. Sorry, I know that sucks. Nobody likes to wait. We're definitely into the culture of instant gratification. However, there was a twofold type of thing. So number one, for me to get comfortable being in front of the camera, and number two, for to basically show off some small skills, some small basic kitchen skills, leading up to the not so chicken soup video that coming up in a few weeks. So I hope that answers your question. I truly appreciate you guys getting involved, and I really appreciate your eagerness. I'm excited about this project. I'm glad to see that you guys are excited about this project. Yeah, we just got to be patient. So you guys be cool. I'll talk to you soon. And yeah, love you, mean it. Take care.